Let's start. The project name is Alert Dialog. Let's see the project structure. Here we have main activity and a simple alert dialog class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI first. Here, we have a button with Show Dialog as a text. Let's see the code. Here we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the simple alert dialog class, which extends dialog fragment. In the data members, we have an alert dialog builder, a dialog, and the context. In the constructor, we set the context. In the onCreateDialog function, we create the dialog. Here, to create the dialog, first we set the dialog message. Then, we set the positive button with OK as the text. When positive button is clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show the toast. Then, we set the negative button with cancel as the text. When negative button is clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show the toast. At last, we create the dialog. Let's see the main activity. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In onCreate function, when we click the button, we create the simple alert dialog object, and then show the alert dialog. The setCancelable function is set to false, which means when the user clicks somewhere on the screen, the alert dialog won't be dismissed automatically, and will stay on the screen. Now, let's run the app. As you can see, when I click this button, the alert dialog pops up. And when I click either OK or Cancel buttons, the dialog gets dismissed. So that's it. That's how you can implement the alert dialog in Java Android. Thanks for watching.